Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Taurus. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, Taurus. So, let's see what are these cards. We have 8 of Earth, 10 of Water, and Moon. So, in your circumstances, guys, Taurus, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are someone who has a lot of talents and skills. So, whatever you do it with confidence, and maybe you are in some new circumstance, you are doing something the first time. Even in that case, you try to learn from the people around you, maybe people who are helping you out in that new work. So you are a learner, a good, what to say, a very responsible person. You are gaining knowledge and you want to, what to say, be really accomplished in whatever you do. And that is the reason you are quite a talented and skilled person in any situation, in whatever you do. You are really talented, Taurus. You have a lot of skills and you know the right way to use your talents and skills in your work or in your personal life to do or handle things in the right way in your circumstances. And you are having greater dreams or goals for your future. And you know that you will be reaching those dreams. Maybe you are planning, you are making efforts for that. And you are working towards that. Maybe in your work, you have a lot of plans. You know what you need to do, what choices to make, maybe some regarding some projects, or it may be work related choices you are making. But you are someone who needs to have that trust. So there are greater opportunities waiting for you, but you are not seeing it right now. And this may not be the time for you to lose heart, Taurus. You need to hold on, wait for some more time. So, even in this relationship, you may not see clarity with this person. You may be expecting them to give you some answers, maybe, and you are not seeing what to say, seeing anything positive, maybe for some of you. But you can be rest assured, guys, greater some great news will reach you very soon, Taurus. And you can be confident of that, but you may not see it now, but it is surely reaching you, guys. You don't need to lose your what to say, lose heart on that, worried or tensed up, because you are not seeing the beginning of some good changes, or it may be some happiness before that happy answer from your person. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Empress. It's a positive card, guys. So your dreams and goals are in the way of fruition, it's going to reach completion. So whatever you have planned for is going to come towards you, Taurus. You can be happy, you can be uh, sure of that. And this happy news is surely reaching you, Taurus, in your relationship. Maybe even this person is thinking of marriage or commitment or starting a family with you. So, for your career situation, Taurus, we have 8 of fire. So, with this card, it just means that you are seeing the things that you need, seeing the beginning of success, and things are gaining momentum in your circumstances. So, whatever you have planned for, your efforts are bearing fruits. And positive changes are what I see, guys, in your work situation. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Taurus, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is Kyanite. It is a crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, this crystal stands for having that diplomacy, resolving disputes in our circumstances, and restoring harmony and mending the fences we have, and building bridges or connections with the people we care for. So in our relationship, this may be the time for you to be a bigger person, being really diplomatic, trying to connect with that other person and try to have that mutual understanding, guys. There is a reason for you to be with this person, guys. There is a reason this person is here in this relationship with you. And now to connect with them in a healthy way is to understand that you both are different. You must honor those differences. But diplomacy is going to be the thing that is going to help you mend the fences you both have. And you will be surprised how much you will or your words will reach to that person if you say it lovingly, if you instead of trying to prove your point logically, guys. So love is going to mend the fences you both have, and it will bring harmony in your relationship, guys. Maybe sometimes for some of you, it's possible that you have attracted this relationship where you are doing all that emotional work and this person is simply sucking your energy and they are not doing anything from their side. If that is the case, you can always say no. And if you feel that there will be no change with that other person, you can always end that relationship, guys. That is your choice. Know that it is okay. You want to free this conflict that way. But if you can do it with love, it is going to be much more better for you, guys. So That is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. This crystal spirit, it stands for harmony and balance in your relationship. So let's see what is the second card for you. For those who chose this second card, it is transformation. And again, a beautiful card, guys. So this card just means that there are people, maybe it may be one person or maybe someone, it may be two people or more than that. They are quite envious and jealous of you, jealous of your success in your career or jealous of your personal life. So they are trying to do things, trying to oppose you, trying to pull you down, bring obstacles and problems in your circumstances. But you need to understand that this is the time for you to handle your situation wisely. Do not give in to temptation. So you may be tempted to do certain things from this by this person. If you can avoid these temptations, you can live a life of peace and harmony. But even if you cannot, if you have given in to these temptations, you will be facing few consequences, but there is nothing wrong in that. You will have a better understanding, a better learning, more wisdom. So what you need to do, you will know for sure, guys. So in your relationship or in your personal life, you are going to use your intelligence and being self-reliant, being confident in yourself, and you're working towards a better situation for yourself. So there are a lot of positive transformation happening in your life today, guys. And you serve as an inspiration to younger people in your life, maybe your children or your sisters or brothers. You are their inspiration and you are the guidance. So the way you handle your circumstance is simply going to teach them the right things in life. And you need to understand that whatever good deeds you are doing today will never be wasted, guys. You will get it multifold in your life. So whatever goodness you do to others, you are going to receive, guys. You can rest assured on that. So that is the energy with this card. So this envy and jealousy, it's not going to last forever. There is going to be an end to it, and you are going to succeed in your life, guys, whatever you take up. But right now there may be some problems you are facing, some struggles you are facing, but you are going to overcome all that, guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. Thank you, guys, for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.